on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, most definitely welcome. My name is Elizabeth, and on this channel we create content based on lifestyle, beauty, nursing, and so many other interesting things. So if that sounds like something you'll be interested in, do definitely make sure you subscribe, tap on the bell notification so you know when I upload a new video. In today's video I'm doing a vlog, and I have a couple of things to do actually. I actually went for the second dose of my COVID vaccine yesterday, and the hand is still kind of heavy, but it feels absolutely better than when I had my first dose, because the first dose was very, very painful, and I was feeling weird when I had the first dose. I was feeling tired, dizzy, feeling sick. But I think this second one, maybe my body is already like used to it kind of, so it's just the arm pain. Aside that, I'm absolutely fine. Yeah, I'll insert the clip of when I was having my vaccine yesterday so you guys can't see. No.
And have you got any symptoms of COVID-19 today or in the last 4 weeks?
No.
Okay, so this dose today can give you a similar side effects to the previous one. So headaches, aches and pains, fevers, make you feel sick, tired, and can give you a sore, achy arm. Okay, all of those symptoms should be mild and last for 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
If there's anything more severe than that, you should phone 111.
Okay.
Okay. Were you all right after your last dose?
Yeah, I felt tired.
Yeah.
Bit dizzy.
Okay.
But after I feel good, I was fine.
Yeah, good. All right. So this is Marcus, and he's going to do your vaccine today. Do you want it into your left arm?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And you shouldn't drive for 15 minutes after the vaccine.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, did you drive here?
No.
No, that's okay.
Can you relax the arm down for me?
Can I take a video?
Of course, yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
There we go, all done. A bit of tape on you there.
Yeah.
There we go, lovely.
Thank you very much. The COVID-19 vaccination card, a badge, proud to be vaccinated. So right now I'm just dressed and I'm going for my COVID test at work. So yeah, and when I'm back we're going to gist. Okay, I'll just you guys when I'm back. You guys can already know what I want to talk about in the title. So yeah, let's get going. Are you sure? So I'm going to have my test now, my COVID test now, guys. She's my favorite. And I'm her favourite carer. And she's my favourite nurse. Aww. My beautiful one. We like a little family here, don't we? We like a little family.
Later it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the longs and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Hey guys, so I'm back home now, and
yeah, I got a couple of things from the store. I'll just bring it out. It's just in this bag. Like, that's everything I got. It's not like I went for actual shopping like that. You get what I mean? So I got this Kellogg's cornflakes. This brioche bread from Waitrose as well. Then I bought this pork stir fry and chicken wings, and I also got prawns, onion, cotton tips. That's everything I got. So yeah, I know that you guys might be wondering, you're not seeing Fanta. So I've stopped drinking Fanta, at least for now, because I noticed I was getting so addicted to it. Every time I go shopping, I would always buy Fanta. If you've watched my recent vlogs, you would have seen that I'm always showing you guys Fanta after every of my shopping. So I'll show you guys what I've been drinking instead of Fanta. Actually, I just started that in like a week and 2 days, and I think it's really been good. So this is what I've been drinking instead, and I think it has really helped me kind of to stop taking drinks and all sorts. I actually still have a couple of drinks at home, but I haven't taken it since I bought it, which I think is an improvement, because actually I almost can't go a day without taking any carbonated drink or juice or whatever it is. But I've actually been taking this for a week and few months. I mean, did I say a week and few months? A week and few days, and I think it's really been good. So it's water, and I just cut lemon inside, if you guys can see that, and it's actually really nice. It tastes well, it tastes good, and I think that's been helping me to also drink more, because if you're taking only water, like ordinary water, you might get tired of the taste or something. So this just kind of spices it up for me, and it tastes absolutely amazing. I've been taking it like that. Early in the morning when I'm going to work, I'll just cut a few lemons in my bottle and put some water. Then as the day goes by, I'll refill it. But when it starts like tasting bad, then I'll just discard it and take ordinary water. And I think it's absolutely something that you should try out. If you be trying it out, let me know. Or if you have other tips or other things that you drink, let me know. So yeah, let's get into the gist that I have for you guys actually in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I'm kind of done with what I'm doing, and I just said okay, I'll unbox this hair. I got this from Ewin's Hair on Instagram, and I really love the packaging. Like, it's so cute. It looks so pretty, lush. I like the gold ribbon right here. And yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing this while we talk about a couple of things you should do on your arrival to the UK. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing this right now, and I'll just remove the ribbon. So it came like this, and this is the hair, I suppose. Then, oh wow, then it has this cute purse right there, and it contains, the purse contains this band, then a tweezer, hairpin, clip, this black brush. It contains 2 of this. Then the purse is so cute, like it's so nice, I like it. All right, then it has, oh, they've put in this wig cap as well, and this card. I think this is just how to take care of the hair and stuff. So one of the important things to do on your arrival, or even before you arrive actually, is to make sure that your accommodation is sorted. You don't want to get to the UK and you're stranded. You don't know where you'll be staying. You might be staying in an hotel for a couple of days, but make sure that your accommodation is already sorted. You already know where you're going to stay, and yeah, just make sure you have all that details at hand, and just to ensure that you're not stranded. Really, it's not that deep. Then also ensure that you have already read your tenancy agreement. Make sure that your tenancy agreement, you know everything that is inside. You know if you can put stickers on the wall, if you can put pictures on the wall, if you can cook in the kitchen, you know, just tiny details like that. Just be sure that you are aware about it. And you also want to know the number of months or how long your contract is going to take. You don't want to take an apartment that you know you're only going to stay there for a couple of months before you move out, and then you sign a contract of 1 year. It's not going to work that way. So you have to be sure that you know what your contract says. If you're not sure about something, definitely ask your landlord, oh, what does this mean? And yeah, you definitely get all the answers you need regarding that. So don't be in a hurry to sign tenancy agreement or contract. Don't be in a hurry to take up accommodation. Most times your employer, if you're coming on a work visa, like nurses, so your employer will most likely search for accommodation for you, but most times it's usually maybe 3 months or thereabouts. So if you want to continue the contracts, then you can sign another agreement with the landlord, or you can just move out. It's not serious, okay? So yeah, that's it with accommodation. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that you have your BRP card. So with your BRP card, your employer is going to fill, when most likely your employer might be the one to fill your visa application, and puts in like where would be the nearest post office to get your BRP. So when you're doing that, make sure that you know where you're going to collect your BRP, and get your BRP within like 10 days of your arrival in the UK. But as it is now, there's a lot of backlogs with all these processes, so it might take a bit longer before you'll be able to get your BRP card. So don't fret at all if you don't possibly get your BRP card within a few days of arrival. COVID has like spoiled a lot of things, I'll just put it that way. So yeah, that's basically it with regarding BRP. The next thing that you need to do is to make sure that you get your bank account opened. Now, getting your bank account opened like when you first arrive might be a bit tricky, so you want to make sure that you have all the necessary documents needed. They might be asking for that's a proof of address, so you definitely don't have any proof of address when you first arrive in the UK. So having like a proof of address from your country might be a good one. They might request for it, and if possible they might not. So it's not like something that is compulsory that you have, but you know, just to be on the safe side, you try to have a proof of address. Then another thing with opening your bank accounts is that they will be offering you different things, like having an arranged overdraft and stuff like that. They are good to have, but you also need to be careful of all of these deals that you accept too. If they give you an arranged overdraft, you think that, oh, you have money, but there's always interest on all these things. So you have to be careful of little things from opening your bank account as well. Next thing we'll be talking about is getting registered with your GP. So unlike Nigeria, I know a couple of families might have their family doctor and stuff like that, but here you need to be registered with a general practitioner, that's a GP. So you need to find like the nearest surgery to you and just try to register there under any GP. They will give you a GP, like someone that is like a personal doctor, let me put it that way. So this GP is like someone, is a doctor that you can talk to if you have any concerns and stuff, and the person would refer you to any to the appropriate quarters. Yeah, so yeah, that's it with registering with GP as well. It's important that you register with your GP so that just in case you fall sick or anything out of the blues happen, you know that you have like someone covered that you can call and will get issues sorted out for you. So yeah, that's it. I'm really liking this here, you guys. Like, it's so bouncy, so soft and lightweight as well. It's so nice. I really like it. When you first arrive, you try to check your environment. At least you try to know where your place of work is located before the day you'll be resuming work. So just try to get that done so you don't miss your way on your first day of resuming work. Check Google Map, know where your local shops are located, so you can, if you want to get anything, you won't be stranded. Just make use of Google Map. Definitely you don't know all these places before you arrived, but Google Map will kind of help you to be able to know your way around. So yeah, those are the tips that I have for new migrants if you are just moving into the country. I don't want to dedicate a whole video for it because I don't have a lot of tips, as I haven't been in the country for long myself. So yeah, those are the tips that I have to share with you guys, and I hope you all learned one or two things from it. I hope you guys are able to pick some of the things that I've mentioned, and I hope that it's going to be beneficial to you. Yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this vlog video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and really I absolutely love this hair. Like, I love it so much. It's so nice, so fluffy, lightweight, pretty and everything. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what exactly you're waiting for, but click on the bell notification, tap on the subscribe icon down below, and drop a comment for me if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No prize.
Oh no.